Let us understand the step-by-step process of giving an advance or making a payment to labor in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Labor Advance Payment form under the Labor Management module. Select the project name and name of contractor from the drop-down. Select the reporting supervisor from the drop-down. Select the card numbers. You can enter multiple card numbers by adding a space after each card number. Select the labor category as skilled, semi-skilled or on. To give an advance to the labor, check the advance checkbox. Select the bank account. Data will be fetched from Ledger Accounts form in the Finance Management module. The bank branch and city name will be auto-fetched based on the selected bank account. Select the start date and end date for giving the advance to the labor. Select the budget applicability. Labor payment details will be auto-populated based on the selected start and end dates. Data will be fetched from the master's form. Enter the advance amount to be given to the labor directly. Enter remarks, if any. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. If you want to make a payment instead of an advance, uncheck the advance checkbox. Enter the start date and end date for the payment period. Under the Labor Payment Details tab, present days will be auto-calculated based on monthly attendance data. The data will be fetched from the master's form. If an advance was given earlier, it will be automatically adjusted against the labor payment. Add remarks, if any. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once approved, you can view the ledger posting entries under the History tab. The payment voucher entry is automatically posted in the Financial Management module, from where final payment can be made. The process of giving an advance payment to labor is now complete.